Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6. Narrated Sa'd bin Zubair. Ibn Abbas, in the explanation of the statement of Allah, move not your tongue concerning to make haste therewith. Said Allah's apostle used to bear the revelation with great trouble and used to move his lips quickly with the inspiration. Ibn Abbas moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips in front of you as Allah's apostle used to move his. Said moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips as I saw Ibn Abbas moving his. Ibn Abbas added, so Allah revealed, moved not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith. It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, the ability to recite it. It means the Quran, which means that Allah will make him the prophet. Remember the portion of the Quran which was revealed at the time by heart and recited the statement of Allah. And when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad, through Jibreel, then you follow its recital, means listen to it and be silent. Then it is for us to make it clear to you, means then it is for Allah to make you recite it, and its meaning will be clear by itself through your tongue. Afterwards, Allah's apostle used to listen the Jibreel whenever he came, and after his departure, he used to recite it as Jibreel has recited it. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseer.